Our emergency command center, our dispatch center, received a call at 4:10 this morning about a small fire in the area behind Emerald Bay. We sent a dispatch to 1425 Emerald Bay Drive. Upon arrival, the crews did find an active fire under significant winds. Not a surprise. Everybody's been informed that we've had several Santa Ana wind events. The high pressure's upon us, and we were expecting and are experiencing record temperatures, dry weather, and low humidities. I'm really pleased to say we've got the resources in place now and feel very comfortable about what we have. Given the fire behavior, the weather, the forecasted weather, we're in pretty good shape. 5% is a really conservative estimate of containment. I will just say that the fire is not spreading rapidly at this time. There's very little growth on many edges of it, but you said it. We've got 2 or 3 more days of weather like this. The winds have subsided somewhat this morning come sunup. They were blowing significantly harder last night. That's not unusual during these kind of weather events. So we're using that. Well, the temperatures are going up and the humidity remains low. This is the opportunity we look for to jump on these fires and get rapid containment before the winds again pick up.